Hey, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today to sit there and see what we all are cooking. Well, we're going to grab our balls, we're going to put them to the wall, and we're going to can up some Bloody Maria jam. So be sure to grab a hold of that vine, and let's swing on to my kitchen, and let's get jamming. Good looking. Hey there, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today because we're gonna make Bloody Maria jam. So let's go ahead and get started. As you see, it looks like there's a lot of ingredients, but believe me, you have all of these on your seasoning shelf, so why not bring them out and use up them seasonings instead of giving them to Mr. Trash Can. So I'm going to sit there and take a whole bottle of spicy V8 juice. We're going to open it up and put it inside of our Fresh Tech Jam and Jelly Maker. Go ahead, add your spicy V8 juice. Let's add your sugar, and that would be a ½ cup. I'm going to go chop up my small red onion, and we're going to add that. Let's add that red onion. Now I'm going to open up 2 cans of Rotel tomatoes. Let's add them. Let's add 1/4 cup lemon juice. You're going to be needing ½ a tablespoon of what's this here sauce, or what y'all might call Worcestershire sauce. You're going to be needing a little bit of this hot sauce. So you add as little or as much as you want. You're going to be needing some horseradish. Let me go get the spoon. ½ a teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of celery, and 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. 4 teaspoons, cumin. 3 teaspoons of garlic powder and onion powder. 1½ teaspoons paprika. You're going to be needing 6 tablespoons apple cider vinegar. And you're going to be needing 3 teaspoons of honey. And then after this is all done cooking, that's when we're going to be adding the tequila. Now you can use Patron, or you could use Jose Cuervo, whatever type of tequila that you prefer to use. Okay, let's turn our Fresh Tech Jam and Jelly Maker on. Now I'm going to push the jam button, and I'm going to increase the time to 30 minutes. I'm going to come over here, push enter. We're going to let the jam and jelly maker do its little magic, and we'll be back after the 30 minutes. Now, put your cover on. Anytime you're cooking with tomatoes and stuff, they like to splatter. So really, folks, put your cover on unless you want to sit there and clean up your counters and the wall behind your jam and jelly maker. Very important, put your cover on. Ooh, look at that bird's eye view. Now it's gonna be beeping real soon, and I'm gonna allow it to go through a cool off period. Then we're gonna sit there and be Henry VIII, I am, Henry VIII, I am. Second verse, same as the first. And then we're gonna be sitting there. After this cycle, we're gonna sit there and add the Patron. It's Henry VIII, I am time. That's right. We're going to be doing this for the 4th time now. But this time, I have about 1/4 cup, a little bit more of Patron. We're going to sit there, add that. Okay. Now that we put the tequila down on the inside, we're going to come down here. We're going to push that jam button again. Increase the time to 30 minutes. And enter. And we be jamming. Yeah, baby. We're jamming. We jamming. Put your cover on, because as you see, it's gonna spit. I'm so sorry for the lost footage here, but basically, take a piece of paper towel, dip it in some vinegar, wipe the rim of your canning jar, place your canning lid on, and your canning ring, finger tighten the canning ring, put it in your hot water bath canner, process for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, remove from the hot water bath canner, place it on some toweling on your countertop, and leave it undisturbed for 24 hours. Now, if you're a new subscriber to my channel, welcome, and if you're not yet a subscriber, go up, tap that subscribe button, tap that little bell, that way you always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And as always, here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eating. So y'all come back now. You hear?